Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing Holly Stone's Spy D1 or DI, depends on how you read it off. Drone, rated for ages 14 and older. It's got 249g, ultra lightweight and foldable, GPS return, long distance, HD camera. Let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys everything that comes in the package. Guys, take a look at this. This is awesome. It comes in this nice protective carrying case. I absolutely love that. All right, so let's go ahead and pull out all the accessories and show you guys everything you get. Accessory bag number 1 has extra fan blades, your screwdriver, and some other items inside here. You also have a manual as well. Show your how-to guide and everything. Your charging cables and power cables. Okay, so you get one battery. To turn it on, you press and hold, wait until it goes the whole way up, and then it's on, and then it'll show you your battery level. To turn it off, just press and hold, wait till it goes all the way down. You can take your Type-C cable in here to charge the battery, which is what we're going to be doing. You can connect this to any USB port, which it makes it nice and portable, because if you guys got a power bank, you guys can charge this on the go while camping or hiking or anywhere else, just in case you guys lose your card. This is the controller setup, so you guys can see your controller setup. Just pause the video there. This is the drone itself. Make sure you remove this when you want to go flying. So you just remove this piece here, and also take off the plastic from the lens. Very nice looking camera. To extend, pull out the bottom blades. Oh no, it looks like you pull the top off first, but make sure you take the plastic off. There's going to be this plastic piece protecting your blades, so you can pull that off. You guys won't need that. So the top blades get pulled out first. Then you pull the bottom blades out like this. Make sure they're fully extended. So it's definitely lightweight. I love the size of the drone. It's a good size. Not too big, but not too small. All right, let's give it a test. Oh, by the way, guys, for your Joy-Cons, they're underneath here. So just in case you guys wonder where they're at, they put them underneath here to protect them during shipping. And then you just thread them on. So thread it on until it's nice and tight. I actually kind of like that they do that, because it keeps them safe. So a lot of people won't know that they're under there, but yeah, they're under there. By the way, this is also rechargeable with a Type-C cable. You do not need batteries, which is amazing. You can pull this out, and this is where you're going to connect your cell phone. You're going to place your cell phone in here, which is really nice as well. So I love that. You got your angle of the, I believe that's of the camera, plus and minus. Again, tons of different setting modes: speed mode, camera mode, video, GPS, and so much more. Quick, responsive. Love it, guys. To turn it on, press and hold the power button, and press and hold the power button. Well, press and hold the power button to turn it on, and it will turn on. Okay, so you tap it first and then press and hold. And it should turn on. Okay, we tap it, now we tap it again. Okay, to turn it off, tap it and press again. And there you go for turning on and off. So we landed it. So you can land it, which is pretty awesome. I pressed in this button. So the stability is really good on this camera. I mean, on this drone, like really phenomenal. Even up with being very windy, it is phenomenal. I don't know if you guys can even see it anymore. So guys, this is definitely one of the more fun drones that I have reviewed in a long time. It goes really high. The remote works great. Stability works great, even on extremely breezy days. Like it is extremely breezy today. And I went really high with this. Overall, I have no complaints at all. This thing is amazing. We did try to get some, like, look how windy it is. Like, it is incredible how windy it is, and it's so stable. Impressive.